Hey there, data enthusiast. Are you ready to elevate your data game? Well, join us for Learn with the Nerds, Excel to Power BI. This is going to be a transformative event which is designed to supercharge your analytic skills. I'm Allison Gonzalez. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, and in this immersive session, I will be joined by my fellow trainers, Angelica Chupon and Emily Taylor, and we will guide you through the process of working with your data in Excel, unlocking the full potential of the different capabilities and programs hidden inside of Excel. We will then learn how to migrate your Excel reports into Power BI effortlessly. We will also create dynamic and really visually appealing reports to bring your data to life. And also show, hey, how can we use Power BI data in Excel and really bring it full circle. So don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your reporting capabilities. Be sure you register today, and we will see you there.
Well, hello, everyone.
Hello.
Afternoon, and hello, Allison. I want to welcome everyone to our preview for our Learn with the Nerds Excel to Power BI session that's going to be on February 20th from 11 to 12:30. So that's Eastern time. We had questions before to prepare you for what to expect during those Learn with the Nerds sessions. So I have my friend Allison Gonzalez here with us to be able to share a little bit about what to expect during that session. Many of you know Allison already, but just in case anyone's new, Allison, take a moment, introduce yourself, and we'll get started.
Yeah, so my name is Allison Gonzalez. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer here at Pragmatic Works. I love living in the Power BI and Excel space, and of course, venturing all across the Power Platform with Power Apps and Power Automate and you name it. But Power BI and Excel are my first love, so I'm really excited to be diving into this training with you all coming up so soon.
Very good, very good. Well, Allison, we want to help prepare people for what to expect during that session. So I have a couple questions for you, starting off with one very obvious one. What are you going to cover in this session?
Great first question there. So in this session, we are really diving into some powerful components of Excel that honestly are kind of unknown to a lot of people. They kind of snuck them in there, and a lot of you don't know it exists. So we're going to be looking at the Power Query Editor along with Power Pivot. These components were added into Excel a long while ago, but they really level up your game. So we're going to be showing you step by step how you can utilize those with your data and incorporate them into your regular Excel process. Then we are going to show how we can translate our Excel skills to another Microsoft program that works perfectly in partnership with Excel, and that is Power BI. So we're going to be covering a lot in that hour and a half, which is going to be really fun.
Very good. Well, a lot of people use Excel. I think Excel is known as the #1 used program in the world.
Everywhere.
However, you're going to be introducing, as you mentioned, some maybe lesser known parts of Excel. So let's find out about this. Let's say I am an Excel user today, but I've never used Power BI. Give me a quick, as short as possible, what is Power BI and why should I be consider using it?
I like to say as short as possible because you know I could talk about this for a while. So Power BI came from Excel. Microsoft, they kept adding components into Excel, it kept getting upgrades, which is great. We got Power Query, we got Power Pivot that we're going to talk about. But at some point, they're like, you know what? We're going to make a full program that does all of this easier for our Excel users. And that's where Power BI came from. Power BI came from Excel. It takes components of Excel and it's created for the Excel user as part two of your process. I really like to think of them as twin sibling programs because they really are set to work perfectly together. So it is a reporting program where you can take in data, and there's components like Power Query and Power Pivot built in, just like we have in Excel that we're going to show you, but you can do that in Power BI. And so we're going to really show you how you can integrate Power BI into your workflow to easily design really great interactive reports, a lot easier than it is to design dashboards in Excel.
Very nice. Very nice. Well, again, in that whole Excel world, do I need to be an Excel expert to attend this? Do I already need to know a ton of Excel, or is that necessary? Okay, yeah, tell me through that.
You can be coming into this class anywhere in your Excel journey. And you can be brand new to it and you're like, I just got a job and I said I know some Excel, so let's learn some. Or you can have used Excel for decades and you're just really ready to level up on your skill. You never know what you don't know, especially in a program as vast as Excel with so many things to do. So it's really good level setting no matter where you're at in your Excel journey.
Very good. I love it. So, let's say I'm ready to attend. You've got my interest peaked. What is needed to participate? What do I need to do on my side to join?
Two main things. That's all you really need. You need to use the desktop version of Excel. We have a desktop app and we have the website version, right? The website version doesn't have the capabilities that you need for this course to follow along. So you need to be in the desktop version of Excel. You will also need to download the Power BI desktop. And we will link that for you in the chat to make it really easy if you do not already have that downloaded on your device. You can always search in that search bar at the bottom of your screen for Power BI just to see if it's been ever downloaded before, if you're unsure. But you can also go and find that Microsoft link to download it. I know some of you, if you're on a company device, may need to go to an internal source or get admin approval to download it. So you've got a lot of time to be able to do that. But you will need, if you want to follow along the whole time, the Excel desktop app as well as the Power BI desktop app. Bonus points if you have an additional monitor. That's definitely not required, but it does make it easier to see what I'm doing on the screen as well as your own full screen without having to flip back and forth.
Totally makes sense. Yeah, I know any training that I attend where I am not prepared with an extra monitor, it is difficult to follow along. So that's an extra
Real
bonus.
easy.
I like that one. Hey, this isn't a planned question here, Allison, but maybe I'm going to put this graphic on the screen too so everyone can see. Of course, this just a reminder if you're joining us now, this event is Excel to Power BI workshop. It's from 11 to 12:30 on February 20th. Allison, tell us a little bit about your folks that are going to be joining you, and I'll put this graphic on the screen so they
Yeah.
can see.
Definitely want to mention these. So these are two fellow trainers here at Pragmatic Works, Angelica Chuquan and Emily Taylor. I feel like I have the blonde blue shirt twins with me on this one, but they're going to be helping me out in this. And so for parts of the demo, Angelica will be leading, walking through, sharing her knowledge. Parts of it, Emily will be leading and sharing her knowledge as well. So you get all three of us actually in this. It's not just going to be me. I just get to promo it, but it's all three of us really sharing our knowledge, what we've learned, those tips and tricks with you all. So hopefully you will get 3 times the knowledge coming out of this class.
I love it. I love it. And I'll put this on the screen as well. This unfortunately is going to have cover up Allison's face a little bit here, but nope, wrong way. Gotta go that way. There's a QR code. If you haven't registered, you can register there. You can also, of course, go to pragmaticworks.com or check the chat. I think our colleague Chuck is putting in links for you to be able to register there as well. Well, I think that actually leads us to, we have 2 more questions. Let's go with this one. What will those attending the event leave with?
Great question. So my goal for you all that are going to be coming is I want you to strengthen your Excel skills. Say that 5 times fast. I want you to really go in and be able to confidently use these parts of the program that we are showing you and also hopefully sell you. You don't really have to buy it. Power BI Desktop's a free download, but convince you that Power BI is a very useful component to your regular workload that you are doing and monitoring with your data. I also really hope, honestly, that you're going to be excited and confident to dive in and use these tools on your next project. to build interactive reports with really nice, cleaned up, organized data in your regular kind of schedule.
Very good. Well, the last thing I have then, I'll go ahead and answer this question is how do you register? So if you're interested in joining us for this event, again, it's going to be on February 20th from 11 a.m. Eastern time, starting then. If you are interested, you can follow the links that are in the chat that our colleague Chuck has put in there. Also, we have this nice little QR code for your convenience, so you can more easily get to it. I'll put that on the screen again. Yeah. Or if you want, you can just go to pragmaticworks.com, scroll down on the home screen, and you'll find where you can register there as well. But that's it. Allison, anything else that you want to share before we wrap up?
No, I'm just really excited for this. I think it's going to be super helpful for any Excel users to really build your knowledge. The great thing is, right, we're on YouTube. So if you are a beginner getting into this, don't forget, you can always pause us. You can always rewind, go back over this as many times as you need to. So if you feel like you missed a step, pause, rewind, go back, and we'll be going. So it's going to be a lot of fun for everyone and hopefully a lot of really good knowledge as well.
Well, thank you so much, Allison, for talking to us and getting us prepared for the event. And look forward to having everyone join us. Again, I'm repeating on purpose, February 20th, 11 a.m. Eastern. We will see you then. And Allison, I'll let you sign us out.
Yeah, awesome. So we are so excited for you to join us. Definitely before this, we've got a little bit of time. You can always check out the other videos here on our Pragmatic Works YouTube account. Got a lot of other classes that can sustain you until then, from short ones to our other Learn with the Nerd sessions that are longer. So you have plenty to learn with while we wait for this session. But we will see you then. Angelica, Emily, and I can't wait.
Hey there, data enthusiast. Are you ready to elevate your data game? Well, join us for Learn with the Nerds Excel to Power BI. This is going to be a transformative event designed to supercharge your analytic skills. I'm Allison Gonzalez. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, and in this immersive session, I will be joined by my fellow trainers, Angelica Chupon and Emily Taylor, and we will guide you through the process of working with your data in Excel, unlocking the full potential of the different capabilities and programs hidden inside of Excel. We will then learn how to migrate your Excel reports into Power BI effortlessly. We will also create dynamic and really visually appealing reports to bring your data to life. And also show, hey, how can we use Power BI data in Excel and really bring it full circle. So don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your reporting capabilities. Be sure you register today, and we will see you there.